This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deborah Deeth. Highly sought after Clubview floor plan in desirable Coconut Shores. This 4+ den, 3-bath, 3-car garage home is situated on the spectacular 240-acre lake with never-ending water views. Stepping into the impressive entryway, you are drawn from the foyer through the great room and out to the extraordinary serenity of the oversized lanai. The heart of this home is a gourmet kitchen with everything the chef desires. You will have many choices for entertaining, either in the spacious great room, formal dining area, or on the lanai through the 0/corner sliders for easy flow from indoor to outdoor living. Enjoy a dip in the pool, a soak in the spa, and a memorable meal prepared in the outdoor kitchen. The master suite is a private oasis enhanced by dual walk-in closets accented with built-in closet systems. Exceptional finishes include solid core doors, porcelain tile flooring in main living areas and extensive use of crown molding highlighting the sky-high coffered and tray ceilings. Versatile workspaces are offered in the large den and the bonus den/craft room. Amenities galore in this coastal-themed community include resort-style pool, restaurant outdoor bar, and fishing pier. For more information, review the details below.